car has no color. What should we do? Splash! Wow! Red car! So pretty! Red car! Woo! Red car! This car is red! Oh, a ball! No color again? Splash! Yay! Blue ball! Bowing, bowing! Blue! This ball is blue! Apple has no color. Splash! Wow! Red apple! Yummy! Apple is also red. Let's dance. Clap, clap. Jump, jump. Yay! Kids, subscribe me for more learning videos. Bye-bye.